Yeah, I never thought you'd leave like this. No last words, no goodbye, just silence.
You were gone without goodbye, left me wondering why. I still look for you sometimes, even though I know you're gone. You walked away so quietly, like I never meant a thing, yeah. Now it's just me and these memories, trying to learn how to breathe again. I still remember the way you smiled, the way you made everything feel alright. Now this room feels so empty, and every night feels twice as long. I read our old messages again, hoping somehow the ending would change. But the screen stays the same, I'll be okay. But healing doesn't happen in one day. Some scars don't disappear, they just become part of who you are. You were gone without goodbye, left me wondering why. I still hear your voice sometimes, echoing inside my mind. If you ever think of me, I hope you remember the good days too. Oh, because I never stopped caring, even after you left. Maybe we were never meant to last. Maybe love isn't always enough. I tried to hold on with everything I had, but love can't survive alone. I'm learning how to smile again, one small step at a time. I'll always remember your name, but I won't let the pain define me. You changed my life forever, even if you never came back. And maybe that's okay, because every goodbye teaches us how to grow. You were gone without goodbye,